Hi everybody, my name's Tavy, I'm from Texas, and I'm a member of the curriculum team here at VIPKid, which is in the offices right behind me. I'm kind of an old Beijing hand, so I've been tasked with showing you guys around this area, Yonghegong. Hey, we're here outside of the Lama Temple. Its Chinese name is Yonghegong. This entire area smells like incense pretty much all day. If you follow along this giant red wall here, all the way over there, that's the entrance to the Lama Temple. The Lama Temple was built in 1694 as a place specifically for Buddhist monks. Now anybody can just go in there and observe the monks doing their prayers, their chants, and so on. You can ring a giant bell. It's awesome. All right, we are here at Wudang Hutong. Hutong actually means alleyway in Chinese. Some of you may be familiar with the word Hutong. This place is actually being preserved by the government as an example of traditional Hutong life, architecture, style, and so on. There's a lot to see here. It's really cool. So let's go ahead and walk up and down this place and take a look at what's going on. You can catch all kinds of traditional Hutong things like pizza, Mexican food. We've got one of Beijing's coolest underground live music scenes is right down this Hutong right here. All right, guys, this has been our tour of Yonghegong and the Wudang area. If you're more curious about places in Beijing, cool spots to get to know, we have barely scratched the surface even of just this one place. So look for more of our videos in the future. I'm Tavy, and I'm going to grab a cup of coffee. Hello, Kevin. I'm using my eyebrows to communicate my interests. Okay. Yeah, can we start? Okay, and action.